Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably wondering, how can I make extra money without spending money? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm breaking down the top side hustles you can start with zero investment. No startup costs, no special equipment, no expensive courses. Just your time, your skills, and your phone or laptop. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, someone working a full-time job, or just trying to improve your financial situation, these ideas are real, beginner-friendly, and available to anyone. And the best part? Some of these can grow into full-time income if you stick with them. So let's get into it. 1. Freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. Let's start with the most accessible side hustle, freelancing. Now, freelancing does not mean you need years of experience. Many people start with simple, entry-level services like basic data entry, simple graphic design using Canva, writing short articles or product descriptions, social media, caption writing, virtual assistance tasks, PowerPoint, presentation, design, transcription, resume, and CV editing. These services are easy to learn and require no upfront investment. Here's the secret. Start with one small service, charge a beginner-friendly rate, over-deliver on quality, and build your reviews. Once you have 5 to 10 reviews, you can raise your prices. Example: a basic 500-word blog post can earn you $10 to $25 at the start, and $50 to $100 once your profile grows. Freelancing is one of the few side hustles where you can scale into a full-time income. 2. Social media management for small businesses. Small businesses need help online, and most of them hate creating content. If you know how to, post on Instagram, write simple captions, use Canva, respond to comments, schedule posts, then you can become their social media helper. You don't need to be a marketing expert, you just need to be consistent. Start by offering your service to local shops, gyms, boutiques, restaurants, home-based businesses, online sellers. Many small businesses would happily pay $150 to $400 per month for basic posting and messages. 1 client equals $200 per month. 5 clients equals $1,000 per month. Zero investment needed. 3. Becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, or VAs, do simple online tasks like checking emails, scheduling calls, managing calendars, updating spreadsheets, basic research, social media replies, online store support. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. And depending on the tasks, VAs can earn $5 to $25 per hour. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, We Work Remotely, Facebook groups are full of people hiring virtual assistants daily. If you are organized, reliable, and good with communication, VA work is one of the easiest zero-investment side hustles. 4. TikTok and Instagram. Theme pages, niche pages. This one is getting big right now. You don't need to show your face. You can make short videos using quotes, facts, viral clips, stock footage, motivational content, storytelling content. Once your page grows, you can earn from brand deals, affiliate products, paid shoutouts, selling digital products. Monetization becomes easier once you hit consistent views, and you only need your phone plus free editing apps. No investment. Huge potential. 5. Selling digital products. You don't have to be a designer. You don't need expensive software. You can create digital products using free tools like Canva, Google Docs, Notion, PowerPoint, digital product ideas, budget planners, workout trackers, habit trackers, study planners, business templates, TikTok video scripts, resume templates, social media content packs. Upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Shopify. These products can sell while you sleep. Pure passive income. The biggest benefit? You create it once. You sell it forever. 6. Affiliate marketing. Beginner-friendly. Affiliate marketing sounds complicated, but it's actually one of the easiest side hustles with zero investment. You simply recommend products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Some platforms: Amazon Associates, Digistore, 24, ClickBank, Impact, A1 Partner Stack. You can share links on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, WhatsApp status. Simple content like tutorials, reviews, or top 5 lists can bring income. The key is consistency. 7. Becoming a content writer. If you enjoy writing, this one is perfect. Companies and bloggers constantly need blog posts, product descriptions, website content, social media, captions, email newsletters. You can charge per word or per article. Beginners usually earn $5 to $20 per article, $20 to $50 for longer blogs, $50 to $150 as they get better. This requires zero investment, just your writing ability and a laptop or phone. 8. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in any subject, math, English, history, science, or even a specific skill like drawing or coding, you can tutor online. You can teach on Zoom, Google Meet, WhatsApp, local Facebook groups. Parents are always looking for tutors for their kids. If you speak fluent English, you can also teach English to international students. You can charge $5 to $15 per hour for basic tutoring, $20 to $30 per hour for advanced subjects, all without spending a single dollar. 9. Transcription and captioning work platform, like RevTranscribe Me, Scribie Go Transcript, pay you to listen to audio files and type what you hear. It's simple, flexible, and great if you have good listening skills. You can earn $100 to $300 per month part-time, or more if you put in extra hours. 10. Selling your skills locally. Not all side hustles are online. You can offer simple services around your neighborhood: babysitting, pet walking house, cleaning, washing cars, helping with groceries, assisting seniors, tutoring kids, home organization. These require no money, no tools, just your time. You can charge $5 to $20 per task, and word of mouth spreads quickly. 11. Canva. Designing services. Even if you're not a designer, Canva makes it easy. You can create posters, Instagram posts, business cards, flyers, logos, event invitations, then sell them to small businesses, startups, students, local shops. People often pay $10 to $50 per design, sometimes more. 12. Selling unused items online. One of the fastest ways to make money instantly is selling things you no longer use: clothes, books, bags, old phones, electronics, furniture. Sell on Facebook Marketplace, OLX, eBay. 13. Creating and selling short guides. People love short, easy guides. Examples: how to start a budget, how to grow on Instagram, how to start freelancing, beginner meal prep guide, money-saving guide for students. Write them on Google Docs and sell them as PDFs. Cost: 0. Earning potential: unlimited. 14. Becoming a micro-influencer. You don't need a big following. Even with 1,000 to 5,000 followers, you can. Try products. Review them. Get paid in cash or gifts. Promote small brands. Micro-influencers have high engagement, so brands love them. 15. Answering questions. Online, simple tasks. Yes, you can get paid for answering questions. Websites like Just Answer, User Testing Respondent. For surveys, ClickWorker. Pay for feedback, usability testing. Surveys, opinions. Not huge income, but an easy side hustle. 16. Starting a blog, free platforms. Use free platforms like Medium, Blogger, WordPress. Free. Write about topics you know. Once your blog grows, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products. Every article becomes a long-term income asset. 17. Starting a YouTube channel with your phone. You don't need fancy equipment. People grow channels using screen recording, voiceovers, slideshows, faceless videos, stock footage, trending niches, money mindset, motivational videos, storytelling, tech tutorials, facts, videos. Once monetized, income is passive. 18. Translation or language services. If you know 2 languages, you can offer translation, subtitles, voiceovers, transcription. Demand is high in business and media, and you can start instantly. 19. Offering AI services. Using free AI tools, you can offer AI-generated logos, AI-written content, AI video scripts, AI image prompts, AI chatbot setup. People pay $10 to $50 for tasks that take you 5 minutes. 20. Flipping free stuff. Find free items on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, free section, clean them up, Take better photos. Resell for profit. People make $500 to $2,000 per month, flipping free items. No startup cost at all. And there you go. 20 real, practical side hustles you can start today without spending a single dollar. Some of these will help you earn quick cash. Others can grow into long-term, full-time careers. The truth is, you don't need money to start making money. You just need consistency, patience, and one good idea.